If you like to stay strong and healthy all the time, try this recipe: lemon juice and honey drink. Hi, my name is Lydia. I hope you're doing great. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make my favorite drink. I take that because I don't like to drink pop and juice all the time, except the juice I made by myself. So anytime I feel like I want to drink something, I just take this and then melt it in cold water or hot water. And also it's healthy, and my entire family we love to take it, especially now the weather is getting cold, the flu time, right? So let's go ahead and make something. So we go ahead and cut the ginger and the lemon. I don't have a particular the measurement for ginger and lemon. I just eyeball them and then decide the amount that I want. Okay, but my real measurement is the ice cube. One of that is really enough for every cup that I want. Okay, so go ahead, blend them, and then sieve and also portion them into small cubes. If you haven't liked this video till this moment, go ahead and like our video and subscribe to my channel. Subscription is 100% free. YouTube will not charge you for subscribing to our channel, and I promise to always bring you something new and something you would like. Okay, go ahead and mix the ingredients, and that's it. Save them in the freezer and take it in the morning, early in the morning, in your empty stomach. Take it in the afternoon and night, at any time. I love to take it with hot water, morning, afternoon, and night. Or you can throw some inside your water bottle for the day, and it's really good to keep you strong and going. My kids, they love to take it. Everybody in the house, we are used to taking it. Until we meet again, have a wonderful day. Bye.